Dear friends, welcome to Santosh Tech YouTube channel. At the end of this video, please subscribe and share. Press bell icon to get new notifications. Today we are going to know about Cnc G code list. G codes are written by Fanuc. G00 moves a tool in rapid travel, not necessarily a straight line. G01 moves a tool using a set feed rate. G02 moves a tool along a clockwise arc path. G03 moves a tool along a counterclockwise path. G04 sets a dwell time in seconds or revolutions of the spindle. G10 data setting. G11 data setting mode cancel. G17 establishes axis movement in the X and Y axis planes. G18 establishes axis movement in the X and Z axis planes. G19 establishes axis movement in the Y and Z axis planes. G20 values are in inches. G21 values are in millimeters. G28 return to reference position. G30 second reference position. G33 thread cutting. G40 cancel cutter compensation. G41 cutter compensation left. G42 cutter compensation right. G43 tool length compensation positive. G44 tool length compensation negative. G49 tool length compensation cancel. G53 machine coordinate move. G54 use work shift offset 1. G55 use work shift offset 2. G56 use work shift offset 3. G57 use work shift offset 4. G58 use work shift offset 5. G59 use work shift offset 6. G60 single direction positioning. G65 macro call. G66 macro modal call. G67 macro modal call cancel. G73 peck drilling cycle. G76 fine boring cycle. G80 can cycle cancel. G81 drilling cycle or spot boring cycle. G82 drilling cycle or counter boring cycle. G83 peck drilling cycle. G84 tapping cycle. G85 boring cycle. G86 boring cycle. G87 back boring cycle. G88 boring cycle. G89 boring cycle. G90 absolute measurements. G91 incremental measurements. G94 feed per minute. G95 feed per revolution of the spindle. G96 constant surface speed control. G97 constant surface speed control cancel. G98 return to initial point in can cycle. G99 return to our point is can cycle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share to get new notification.